As we dance.
8 Garema St, Indooroopily, 400 square metres under roof of luxury contemporary living in the heart of St Peter's precinct.
As we dance. As we dance. As we dance.
And location's key to this one. Here we are in a nice private cul-de-sac. St Lucia Golf Course just across the way, Indooroopily Golf Club just behind us, and of course we've got St Peter's Lutheran College just a couple of hundred metres away, along with Indooroopily Shopping Centre. So convenience is right around here.
Homes in this exclusive pocket of Indooroopily are tightly held. Please call Peter or I today for a private inspection.